Right, so here we are on another one of our smart farms. There's Matt, our main engineer, installing in one of the sheds. And here we are with the gubbins box. The gubbins box goes inside every single shed. This powers all the cameras and our wireless links. It's all powered from one location. And here's the gubbins box plugged into the power in the shed. Here's our wireless link antenna, which connects every single shed back to the house. This is Ubiquity. This is me attempting to pull one of our PTZ cameras out of a box, but this is the camera that's going to go in this carving shed, still in its plastic here, but you'll see in the next clip what we're actually trying to achieve with this. And here's the PTZ camera installed. We've taken some of the Yorkshire boarding out there so we can see the inside of the shed and the camera can spin round and also see the outside of the shed. Matt's still just in there, you can see him doing some work. Here's the final install in this shed. You can see the camera has been installed here to see the cattle. Obviously this is for carving. And then on the outside of the shed, you can now see our wireless link, which points back to the house. This is the PTZ camera in a little bit more of a close-up, but this is actually being installed in the main cubicle shed. This is going to be installed high level to see the whole of the interior of the shed, but it's also going to see, as you can see from here, the outside of the shed as well. This is the way we always install PTZ cameras in cubicle sheds, to see as much as possible. And yet again, another gubbins box. Every single shed has a gubbins box with a network switch and a wireless link connecting back to the house. This little clip here is just showing the run from the gubbins box up to where the PTZ camera is. We run that on a single network cable. The power and the data is sent over the same cable. Right, security cameras. These guys have chosen livestock cameras and security cameras. This is the Noctis Pro bullet camera. We've installed this in a location so it sees the doorways or the entrances into this shed, but it's also going to give a full field of view onto to the main entrance of the farm. This gives you a better idea of it, this clip. As you can see, it gives you a view of the two doors that go into the parlour, and then we've also got a view of the main two entrances entering the farm. And this is the second security camera. This is just a little bit further round on the same shed, but this is going to give a field of view to the rear entrance and those containers. The customer wanted better Wi-Fi coverage. This is what we use to give full Wi-Fi coverage over the house. This is the recorder. This is what all the cameras will record onto. 30 days of recording. This is the Noctis Pro recorder. This allows for 8 cameras with a full HD output. And that's all the hardware used on another #SmartFarm.